Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, and I'm back on your screen to share with you all an unboxing of a product, or shall I say products, that were sent to me for reviewing purposes only. I am so excited because yes, I am new to working with this here company, and they reached out to me. They wanted me to share with you all their shoes, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about their background. The company was founded with a mission to create stylish and sustainable footwear that's eco-friendly and responsible. With a focus on creating a positive impact on both the world and the people around us, we have successfully created a line luxurious and fashion-forward footwear with exceptional quality at a fair price. Their vision, they focus on creating shoes that are comfortable to wear and incredibly stylish, fusing modern technology and sustainable practices for the ultimate and eco-friendly footwear. Alright, so now we are going to do the unboxing. This box was made from recyclable material. This is step into conscious comfort, stylish and sustainable, and I can't wait to try these on. And let's do the unboxing. It comes really nice, wrapped. And I picked two of their flats. This is one of them I thought was really cute. I could pair it with the blue jean dress, this pretty pop of pink, and then the front of it is really nice too as well. And it has that little bow on the front. It's like a really cute pointy toe. And I'm going to take this out. And the size that I end up getting is a 41. And this right here is super comfortable, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about their shoe. They have a 5-degree shift of swing and wider toe box that offers better foot comfort. They have the heel padding, no more blisters. They have a herbal pew insole. I'll take this out. This is the insole of the shoe. It provides elasticity and comfort. And it also has that yoga weight midsole, which has a lightweight composition paired with high rebound. And the patented sole is high flexible and shock absorbent. This shoe right here is so comfortable, especially for those of you who work at a 9-to-5 or office job and you do a lot of walking, but you still want to look cute and fashionable. Look at this. How it just it stretches, it's flexible. If you have wide feet, this is the shoe for you guys. And I usually get a 42, but 41 will do me justice. But this is the cutest shoe. It's very comfortable, and I can't wait to try these on for you guys. So let me take out the other shoe as well. And these are so nice and comfortable and so girly. You know I'm a girly. I love girly products. So if you're that girl that works at a job that you do walking, or you just want to look cute, stylish in your cute office wear, or if you're going to church or just anywhere, you want to be comfortable and you have a meeting, you want to be cute, but you don't want your feet to hurt. Your feet won't hurt in these. I promise you. These are very comfortable. And yeah, I'm going to try these on for you guys. And then we're going to move on to the second pair. And they look basic, right? They're black, cute, square toe if you don't like the pointy toe. And they're cute, right? But not only are they just like kind of like basic, guys, look at this here texture on the shoe. It is beautiful. It has their V right here, as you can see, and look at the texture on the shoe. It's beautiful. And they have this little hook because we will be adding some cute little strings so that we can tie up around the ankle so that the shoe can look really cute, okay, like that baby dollish. So I'm going to show you the shoes that I picked out. These shoes are called the square toe flats and free laces. They run for $89. They have great reviews on it, and it's a solid black. They go up to a size 10.5. I got these in a size 41. These right here are so cute. You can wear it with a really cute dainty black dress. You could just add your own touches to it. It comes with some strings. I'm going to take the strings out, and you just place, it's like a ribbon, and you just place it right here through the shoe to give it that added touch that just makes, you know, make you look so girly and put together. And you just, girl, you see where I'm going with this? And you can just put it on your foot, and they look so comfortable. I love the quality of the shoe. I'm not quite sure of the material. Let me see if they say anything else about the material. Yeah, it just comes with a detachable ribbon. It's eco-friendly deodorizing insole, and it's carbon-free rubber soles. It's a really nice office shoe. You can wear it to church, whatever the case may be. This is the shoe for you, you guys. And this is right up my alley because you guys know I like them cute little flat shoes. Sometimes I don't like to wear heels, but when I do wear a heel, I want the heel to be on point. But when I wear a flat shoe, I just don't want it to just be a basic flat shoe, but I want it to have some kind of, you know, just to it. So I will be trying on these shoes for you guys, and let me know what you guys think, okay? Alright, my beauties, this is the next pair. Love them. Very comfortable, stylish. Enjoyed this here try on haul from Vivaia. Am I saying that right? I hope I'm saying that right. Vivaia. Hope I'm not butchering their name too much, but I just want to thank them for sending me these here shoes to share with you all. These are great quality shoes. I thank them. They help the ocean. They're nice. They're recyclable. They help the ocean. They're made with 6 water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming the marine life. They are very conscious, and I love this shoe. It is beautiful. I love the detail of it. It's a really nice shoe, and I'm glad that they sent me out these shoes, and I can't wait to work with them in the future. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Until then, thumbs up this video. Check the link down below. Save and shop with them. I promise you. And they not only just sell shoes, they have clothing pieces as well. So check them out. All right, let them know I sent you. Bye.